Hi children, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to study grammar and 3 parts of a sentence. There are 2 parts of a sentence. They are subject and predicate. In your previous class, we learned a group of words when arranged in a meaningful order and make complete sense is called sentence. That means a complete sentence has at least a subject and a main verb to state a complete thought. I repeat, a sentence needs a subject and a main verb to state a meaningful or complete thought. Okay, let's see what is a subject. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. Understood, children? Keep in mind, children, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about, that is a subject. Okay. Examples. First example, Meena goes to school. Here we are talking about which person? Yeah, here we are talking about Meena. So Meena is the subject. Then second example, Naman likes to ride a bicycle. Here we are talking about a person, Naman. So here Naman is the subject. Now read this. Stand up. Thank you. Children, here which is the subject? Subject is mentioned here? No. Sometimes subject may not be expressed. It may only be understood. Children, here stand up means I'm asking to you to stand up. So you is the subject. Thank you. Here I'm show my gratitude. So here I is the subject. Okay. Children, one way is there to find the subject of a sentence. Do you know that way? Yeah, it is to find out the subject in a sentence by taking the verb and asking the question who or what. Then we will get one answer. That is the subject. Okay, let's take this example. Hamid was a great soldier. Here we want to find out which is the subject. Then what we'll do? First we will identify the verb from the sentence. Which is the verb here? Was is the verb. So we take the verb and asking the question who or what. So our question is who was a great soldier? Then what is the answer? Who was the great soldier? Hamid. So which is the subject here? Hamid. Got it? Then an aeroplane flies in the air. Here also we want to find out subject. Then first we want to identify the verb. Which is the verb here? Flies. Then taking the verb and asking the question who or what. Then what is the question? What flies in the air? So we will get one answer. Which is the answer? An aeroplane. Then aeroplane is a subject. Okay, now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned about subject. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. Then we learned how to find the subject of a sentence. It is possible to find out the subject in a sentence by taking the verb and asking the question who or what. Example, the old man was walking along the road. Children, how to find a subject from the sentence? Yes, first we want to taking the verb and asking the question who or what. Here was is the verb. So first we want to identify the verb, then asking the question who or what. Then we will get one question. Which is our question? Who was walking along the road? Who was walking along the road? Yes, the old man. So, subject is the old man. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.